Okay, so here we have Chris measuring and scoring a piece of the laminate. And then you do the same thing on the back. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, or welcome to our channel if you're new. Either way, thanks for coming and joining us. I just finished doing my hair, so if you want to know how I got this look, it's just a simple wash and go. Then I'll post it in one of the cards. And but back to why we're here. We are doing some DIY projects around the house. We are starting with the kids' rooms first. There's an echo because we have taken everything out of here, and we're about to show you all of that. We've taken the carpet out, we painted, and we are putting down laminate flooring. This is some quarter round. I am learning how to do things trusty dusty tape measure. So come on and join us, and maybe you can do some of these projects too. Thanks for watching. Let's get busy.
Let's go ahead and do this. Keep it tight.
Okay.
Easier to get out the house.
Keeping it compact. There is a spot where there's a nail somewhere. Yeah. I remember I used to step on it.
You used to step on them?
Alright, I'll see y'all later.
Okay, so here we have Chris measuring and scoring a piece of the laminate. And then you do the same thing on the back. You mark the area so that you can line up. What's that thing called, honey?
Square. Square.
So that you can line up the square. And then you score it again on this side.
Alright, girls, let's go. Wait. There you go.
And that's slice it in half.
And he has helpers.
Take this Evie down on that side where mommy is. Put it up there.
And this is some of the progress so far in their room.
I like hammering because it's fun. It's amazing, and this is not heavy because this is a different kind of hammer that is not heavy.
All right, Grace.
That little black tool,
Makes it lock in like a puzzle.
it makes the pieces lock in. And we'll show you how to snap a piece in we'll show you how to snap a piece in a second. And then you take this tool right here,
Oh, you gotta get off the thing.
and then you take this tool right here, this pull, lift it up so I can show them. And it hooks on, and that helps it to lock it in at the seam.
Pulls it back that way.
Right, pulls it in towards the seam, lengthwise. That's a spacer, because you need space between the floor and the wall, so it doesn't buckle.
Right.
And when you're finished, you take it off. Then it becomes your masterpiece.
What?
When you finish the whole floor, and you take that thing off, and then it will become your masterpiece. Hooray! Hip hip hooray! I'm good at hammering.
The piece you cut off on the right side at the end of the run becomes a starter piece on the left side. So that's why you have to go from left to right. When you cut it, you can bring it back over, and it's your starting piece.
Ow!
And it just fits like a puzzle.
Because there's no male piece on that end, right?
Right.
No, there's no piece sticking out that you can hook.
Wait!
And that's how, like, show them how you snap it in. And this is how you connect the pieces. There's a lip right here, and you just connect them.
I didn't even know that.
And that's it.
That's it.
Snapped into place. And now you have to use the tools.
Go get your spacer.
Go hammer at you.
That's right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So you put the spacer in.
Thank you. Thank you. Get a long, small piece over there.
This?
No, the long one.
That one. Ta-da. Yeah. That piece. See?
Alright guys, thanks for watching our DIY project, installing the laminate flooring. We have a lot more projects to come, so stay tuned, and like always,
hit that notification bell.
what they said.
So let's take a look. Now we haven't gotten the transition pieces for the doorways yet. But look, we got the crown molding in. Everything's all nice and painted. Wow. It's looking really nice.